Okay, let us continue our topic differentiation. Already we discussed about more important methods. Now in this video, let us continue our methods. If f of x equals to determinant of sin x 1 0 x minus pi by 2 sin x 1 0 1 sin x. Here we can discussing about the problems which are in determinants. Determinants of matrix. So we have to take the differentiations of determinants. Okay, let us discuss about the formula first. Okay, what's that? If f of x should be determinant of P of x, Q of x, R of x and U of x, V of x, W of x and lambda of x, mu of x, psi of x. Okay, let us take any one. Like this, polynomials, determinant of polynomials. Now the differentiation of derivation of determinants should be, let observe, we can taking the differentiation of in first row only. Now the first word, the first one is should be like this, p dash of x, q dash of x, r dash of x. Okay, in first one, in first term, first row derivatives, remaining all are as it is. Okay, no need about this, like this. Okay, remember in second term, derivatives of second term, first term, third term as it is, p of x, q of x, r of x, and here u dash of x, v dash of x, w dash of x, and remaining third one as it is, lambda of x, mu of x, psi of x. Similarly in third one, okay, in third term, two rows are as it is. Okay, u of x, v of x, w of x. Now derivatives of third one, lambda dash of x, mu dash of x, psi dash of x. Okay, like this differentiation of f of x. Okay, let us follow this formula. Okay, by applying this formula we will do the functions are in determinants. Okay, now here given two problems are in determinants only, so that's why I can applying the formula. Let options are 2 pi by 2 minus 1 8, then f dash of x equals to, by the formula in first term we can taking only the differentiation, derivatives of first row terms. Okay, now sin x is a cos x, 1 is a 0, 0 is a 0. Okay, over. Next, x minus pi by 2, x minus pi by 2, f dash x means df by dx. Okay, so second row as it is and also third row as it is. Okay, next one. Okay, as per formula. Okay, now next one, in second term we can taking only the derivatives of second row on. Okay, so sin x 1 0 as it is. Now x minus pi by 2 1 only, yes or no? It is a 1, it is a 0. Now sin x is a cos x, it is a 0. Okay, now 0 1 sin x as it is. Okay, only the second row, here only the first row. Now similarly, first row in third terms, first row, second row as it is, sorry, as it is, and x minus pi by 2 1, x minus 1 pi by 2 sin x 1 as it is. Now third row derivatives 0 0, it is a cos x. Okay, now simplification. Let's simplification. We need these options. Anyone? Okay, let observe here. Cos x 0 0. Now it is a x minus pi by 2 sin x 1 0 1 sin x, sin x 1 0 0 1 sin x. Okay, observe here. Cos x 0 0 here. Okay, here 0 1, no one is equals to each other, yes or no? But at x equals to pi by 2, we should apply at x equals to pi by 2, then f dash of pi by 2 equals to, then substitute here, cos pi by 2 should be 0. It is a 0, already it is a 0. Okay, no need to find total because of one row is should be 0, all elements are should be 0, so it is a 0. Okay, next, and sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is a 1, it is a 1 already, 0. Okay, 1 and 0, cos pi by 2 is a 0 0, and 0 and 1, sin pi by 2 is a 1. Okay, 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, next, similarly sin pi by 2 is a 1, it is also 1 0. Okay, 1 1 0. Now it is a x equals to pi by 2, it should be 0, sin pi by 2 is a 1, and it is already 1. Okay, 0 0, cos should be 0, so it is also 0. Okay, it is also 0 0. Now remaining determinant is nothing but, let's find 1 into what? 0 0, it is a 0, minus 1 into 1 plus 0, it is a 0. So the answer only minus 1. Okay, third one is our right option. Okay, now next one also same, determinant of, sorry, differentiation of determinant. Okay, same like this. Let us follow the same problem, same formula. F dash of x equals to, f dash of x equals to what? First row. Okay, now here the derivatives of first row elements. So 1 2x, it is a 3x square. Okay, 1 2x 3x square as it is, 0 2 6x. Okay, plus next one, x square x cube as it is. Now here it is now differentiation of these are derivatives 0 to 6x. Okay, already we have 0 to 6x plus x square x cube as it is, 1 2x 3x square as it is, 0 to, it is nothing but 0. Now this is a 6. Okay, now let us simplify. Let us do simplify. It is a 0. Okay, because of two rows are identicals to each other. Okay, by the properties of determinants, okay, it should be 0. Okay, now here also R2 and R3 are identical, so it will also be 0. Okay, next, remaining 0 plus 0. Now remaining is a by the corresponding, following the corresponding row 6, then we will get what? 6 into x square 1 2x. Yes or no? Okay, 6 into 2x square minus x square, it should be x square, then 6x square. Okay, now our answer is 6x square. Okay, let us do any problem of determinant. Differentiation of determinants can be done by our formula. Okay, okay, from application of derivatives. Let the percentage error in measuring the side of cube is 0.5. Percentage error in volume is what? 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2. Okay, we know clearly volume is a V. Let us say the side of the cube is a x. Then volume is what? Volume equals to x cube. Okay, we need errors, percentage errors. So percentage error means percentage where error in volume is nothing but delta V by V into 100. Yes or no? Similarly, percentage error in measuring the side is about x. So that's why that is a delta x into 100. Okay, now it is for volume, it is for side. Okay, these are the percentage errors. Okay, now how to get that one? By taking log and also applying the logarithms on both sides and also differentiation on both sides. So first of all, log V equals to log x cube. Clearly it is a 3 log x. Then applying differentiation 1 by V delta V, okay, equals to 3 into 1 by x delta x. Okay, so delta V by V into 100, applying 100 on both sides, 3 into delta x by x into 100. Okay, now these are the percentage errors. Yes or no? Percentage errors, we need this one. So let us do right side, 3 into, now delta x by x into 100, already given. The percentage error in measuring the side of a cube is 0.5. It should be 0.5. Okay, so 3 into 0.5, it is a 1.5. Now 1.5 is there? No. So 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. So 3 by 2 is our answer. Option is third one. Okay, these are the percentage errors. Okay, let us do one more. Okay, let one more question from errors and approximations. If there is an error of plus or minus 0.04 centimeter in the measurement of the diameter of sphere, then percentage error in its volume when radius is 10 centimeter. We know the volume of sphere should be 4 by 3 pi r cube when r is nothing but radius. So but diameter only given, so that's why, and also radius given, that is a 10 centimeters, and error of diameter should be plus or minus 0.04, then error of radius should be plus or minus 0.04 by 2. Yes or no? Plus or minus 0.02. Okay, by using these two values, then we can finding the percentage error in volume. Okay, same like previous problem. Now applying log V equals to log of 4 by 3 pi r cube. We know it is nothing but a, suppose it is a and b, then log V equals to now log 4 by 3 pi plus 3 log r. Okay, applying derivatives 1 by V. Okay, delta V equals to, it is a 0 plus 3 into 1 by r delta r. Okay, so same like previous, V into 100 equals to, we need this one. Here also multiplying with 100. Okay, then the percentage error of volume equals to 3 into what? Delta r should be plus or minus 0.02 by r is a 10 into 100. Okay, then 3 is a plus or minus 0.02 into 10 is a 0.2 only. Yes or no? After multiplying the 10, it one becomes as 0.2. So 3 plus or minus 3 into plus or minus 0.02 should be plus or minus 0.6. Okay. Now which one? Fourth one is the right option. From tangent and normals of determination. Okay, let us do more problems from the tangent and normal topic. Here the slope of normal to the curve y equals to log of log x base e, yet x equals to e is minus e 1 by e minus 1 by. Okay, we know clearly the slope of normal should be minus 1 by dy by dx. Okay, at e. Okay, let us do the problem. First of all, dy by dx. dy by dx equals to what? 1 by log x. In the place of x equals to log x. Okay, again we can doing this one 1 by x. Okay, then we can finding the value slope of normal. Okay, then that equals to minus 1 by dy by dx equals nothing but 1 by x log base x. Okay, now here at x equals to e. Okay, now apply 1 by, this is nothing but minus x log x. Here x equals to e minus e log base e, also it is a e. Now base and number, when these are two equal, that is a 1, so minus e into 1 is a minus e. Okay, first option. Okay, and one more. The length of the normal at 2 comma 1 on the curve xy plus 2x minus y equals to 5 is what? Here you know the length of the normal equals to y modulus of y under root 1 plus y1 square at a given point 2 comma 1. Okay, let's substitute. First of all, simplification here, then y common, so y into x minus 1, bring that side, 2x bring that side, 5 minus 2x, y equals to 5 minus 2x by x minus 1. We need y1. Then u differentiation of v plus minus v u differentiation of v. Okay, 1 by v square, you know. Then y1 equals to minus 2x plus 2 minus 5 plus 2x by x minus 1 whole square. Okay, so at 2 comma 1, that is the y1 equals to minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 2 minus 5 plus 2 into 2, sorry, here these are cancelled, let observe, minus 2x plus 2x get cancelled. Okay, then here minus 3 by x minus 1 whole square. Okay, so at 2 comma 1 y1 should be minus 3 by 2 minus 1 whole square is 1, so minus 3. Okay, now substitute here, then y equals to what? Then here at 2 comma 1 y equals to 5 minus 4 by 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, it should be 1. Then it is nothing but y is a 1 under root 1 plus, now that is a 9. Okay, root 10. Okay, so our option is fourth. Okay, let us do more. From tangent and normal, angle between two curves. The curves y equals to x square and 6y equals to 7 minus x cube intersect at 1 comma 1 and angle is. Okay, Two curves are when intersect to each other, nothing but we can finding the angle between not a curves, their tangents. Already we discussed in previous videos. Okay. First of all, we need the tangents of the slopes. Tangent is nothing but first one dy by dx, here also dy by dx. Okay. Then y equals to x square, then m1 equals to dy by dx, here equals to, taking direct, it is a 2x, m1 equals to 2x. Okay. At what? At 1 comma 1. So here 2 into 1 is a 2, m1 is a 2. Then m2 equals to, m2 equals to 6, bring that side, 1 by 6, we need dy by dx, yes or no? So it is a 0 minus 3x square. Okay, 2 is a minus 1 by 2 x square. X square should be 1 comma 1 square equals to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now the angle between two curves is a theta, then theta equals to what? Theta. Then tan theta equals to, when two slopes are given, the angle between two curves is a theta, then applying this formula tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay. Then m1 2 plus 1 by 2 by 1 plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 equals to 5 by 2. Now here the 2 get cancelled, it should be 0. Okay. Now it is nothing but infinity. Okay. Clearly we don't need to take the formula. Observe here, simply two slopes are, first you can observe, two slopes are like this, 2 and minus 1 by 2. Observe, m1 m2 is nothing but 2 into minus 1 by 2, yes or no, equals to minus 1. m1 m2 equals to minus 1. Then these are perpendicular to each other. So perpendicular to each other. So that is the option 3, pi by 2, 90 degrees. Okay. Observe here m1 and m2. Okay. No need to take the formula. Now the angle made by the tangent line at 1 comma 3 and the curve y equals to 4x minus x square with ox is. Okay. Simply the angle made by the tangent, the angle made by the tangent at 1 comma 3, then the on the curve y equals to 4x minus x square. We can apply the tangent formula. Dy by dx equals to what? X equals to 4 minus 2x. Okay. At what value of 1 by 3? So it is at dy by dx at 1 comma 3, it should be 4 minus 2 into 1. That is the 3. Okay. Now we know theta equals to tan inverse. Actually m equals to tan theta, yes or no? M equals to tan theta, then m equals to, then theta equals to tan inverse m. M is nothing but dy by dx tan inverse 3. Okay. Now third one is our option. Okay.